Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well, and today I am also fantastic. Actually, I have come to my school today and it is Saraswati Puja today, so I have come to visit my school, and it is also the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So it is a special day for us, okay, because it is 23rd January and it is birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also. So friends, you can see this is my school and I am making video in my school. So friends, I have studied in this school and I love this school so much, okay, because I have learned many things from this school and from our teachers. So friends, you can see the buildings, okay, and in that room, okay, we took class. We used to sit in that class, okay, and it was our classroom, okay, and okay, it is locked now, but that door is opened. So friends, I will show you everything. Just keep watching because I am very excited, and it is Saraswati Puja, so I will show you Saraswati, the statue Saraswati Ma, okay, and I will show you our teachers, everything. So they are coming up. Just so they are girls and okay, and when I studied in class 6, that time I used to sit in that room. You can see here, actually, so you can see over there our headmaster room and staff room. Hey, don't laugh. Of course, why not? He's my brother, one of my brother. Okay, actually he's my neighbor brother. His name is Vidro. He studies in this school now. Hey, don't. So I am showing you something. Actually, when I studied in class 5, that time I used to sit in that room. Okay. It is now staff room, but that time it was our classroom when I studied in class 5. It is written something here. Okay. So I think and what is this? It is a midday meal list, I think. Okay, and it is a headmaster room. Okay, it is office room. Okay, you can see it is office room. It is headmaster room and it is staff room. Okay, and we used to stand here and we did prayer. Okay, in this field, and in this school, do you know there are many trees, but it has very less trees here. You can see behind me one banyan tree. It has many branches. Okay, it was very big that time, but some branches have been cut. And we used to eat by sitting on the that floor. Okay, veranda, on that veranda. Okay, here we used to sit and we used to eat our midday meal. So friends, actually I am not feeling comfortable today. I don't know why. Because of, I think there are many boys and girls, that is why. Okay, look, it is the tube. We used to drink water here. Look how she is pumping and he is washing. Okay, she is drinking water. Now children used to wash their dishes. Okay, here, and you could see some tank, 2 tanks. Okay, who has come? So some boys and girls are clicking their photos. Okay, they are taking photos. So this is my school, and you can see there. Actually, there is our toilet. So I don't want to go there. I am showing you the whole room and our main thing. Okay, so just keep watching. So friends, they are giving something to us. You can see they are giving us bhog. We say it bhog prasad. So now I want to take bhog. Hey, hello guys. So they are not looking at me. Okay, they are busy on their work, but I want to enter the whole room, and you can see main thing here. Okay, just keep watching. So I don't talk so much here because of huge crowd and noises. So I will show you something. Just keep watching. Okay. You can see the Pratima Ma Saraswati there. There are many boys and girls. They are sitting, they are standing. Some are sitting, some are standing. Okay. So I want to show you the flowers. There are some flowers here. I don't know what all are these. He is our teacher. Actually, he is to teach us English, and he is very good teacher. And I have learned so much thing from him. But okay, so these are flowers. You can see. I like this flower. These are very beautiful. You can see. I don't know what are these. Actually, I don't know their names. Okay, if you know, please tell me. Okay, they are clicking their photos here. Okay, you can see, and they are taking photos. They made some projects here. You can see the path of rivers flowing. She is very brilliant student. Okay, actually they made these. Okay, and okay. So just keep watching. I am showing you everything. So they made this thing. Yes, I am making video. So what is this? It is about pollution. It is Jal Chakra. Okay, and actually they are saying me to sign here. Actually I am signing here. Okay, now you can see. Actually I will sign here, and my name is Asari Mahato. My handwriting is so bad, no problem, but I have to write here. What are you saying? Tell me. Tell me. Batao. Okay, no problem. I will sign. So, sadharan hoje. Actually, I am so busy. Actually, I have to make video, so I don't want to take so much time. Just I am writing my name. Okay. Sorry. So they made all this thing, and look, these are very beautiful. They made all this thing, and just keep watching. So you can see here something. She is explaining something. She is explaining something.
Village and Sohar environment.
Gram Sohar Poribesh, village and cities environment. Okay. She is telling about village and towns and environment. And you can see here pyramids, Nile, the Nile, and you can see the desert, Sahara desert. And here Jala Chakra, Sampa Gorai made this. What's your name? Your name is? Her name is Sampa Gorai. Sampa Gorai made this, and okay, it is a model of DNA. So friends, you can see. And what is this? It looks very beautiful. I am showing you. Just keep watching. Okay, just keep watching. Oh my God, it's really very beautiful. So nice. Just keep watching. I am showing you everything. Okay, I am going there and I will show you. Even I will show you there. Just keep watching. Don't go away. Okay, just go away. I will show you everything. Okay. Look, I am practicing English here and I am making video. Hey, why are you laughing? Don't laugh at me. Oh my God. Look the flowers. These are very beautiful. And it has written here something. Okay, Hiradhar Mahato has written something. Okay. So I can't show you properly here. Okay, because there are many things. So I am showing you another things like you can see there. Okay, here. These pictures are so much. So these pictures are very beautiful. Really, these are very beautiful. So I am showing you quickly. Just watch very fast. Okay, because I have no time. and I have to make my video. So actually it will take so much time, that is why I am showing you quickly. Okay, I am showing you quickly, just keep watching. What is this? It is a village nature. Okay, and it is earth. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. You can see Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and his birthday today. Okay, it is birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose today. What is this? It is very. So Vidyasagar Bhutta bikri korche, and oh my God, Vidyasagar is selling maize here. Good. You can see the Shiva, Lord Shiva, Mother. Okay, and here you can see some picture. It looks very beautiful. Let's see. I don't know. Borsa made this, and Sunanda made this picture. Dia made this picture. Priya Tona made this picture. It looks very beautiful. Look. Oh my God, our Virat Kohli here. She is telling me to move here. Okay, I am moving, no problem. Don't be angry. Side, I mean the side আছে. Okay. Look. Ma Saraswati. River, you can say boat. Okay. Some children. Village nature, leaves, coconut tree, river, boat, tree, flower plant, flower vase, and he is swimming. Look, actually I think it is when Vidyasagar was coming back his home. That time he swimmed the Damodar Nath and he crossed the river and he came his home. It was his his brother marriage that time. Look, Vidyasagar is studying maybe by sitting under the light. Okay, he used to sit under the light and he used to read here, because that time do you know there was no light and electricity. They used to study under sitting the lamp. Okay, but after when his was ended, that time Vidyasagar came out of home and he used to sit under the lamp, that light, and he used to study. You can see Vidyasagar is donating something here. Okay, he is donating lamp, blanket, the poor person. You can see the map of India. It looks very beautiful, really. Sumitra made this picture good. And here you can see Vidyasagar is going Kolkata first time. Okay, and he is learning 1, 2, 3, 4 everything. Hindu Balika Vidyalaya. Okay. You can see here British made this. I am showing you quickly. Okay, Vidyasagar donating something here. Vidyasagar donating blanket the poor persons. Okay, here Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose capital indicator instrument. They made some project here. Okay, I am showing you everything. Okay, just look, watch. Just keep watching. They made those things, those project. Okay, it is a volcano. So where is the? Oh my God! It is a volcano. They made this. What's your name? Okay, thank you. Nice. They made this volcano and it looks very beautiful. Really amazing. Look, Puzzle War game. It is a game. Okay. If I have to play this game like this, I am showing you. Just keep watching. So I have to start this game. Okay, look. Start. A sec. If I touch the wire, then the game will be ended. Okay. So I lost the game. Okay. So you can see here rain water harvesting system. It is very beautiful and it is very necessary project for us even in our life because we waste water and do you know because of water problem we face many problems. So we should not waste water and we should harvest. We should storage. We should store water more and more. Okay, so they made this project. It is a very beautiful project and interesting. And you can see our crop production system. Okay, they made this. Actually, here you can see there. You can see here we are. Okay, if any animal come here, so here light will on and like this. Okay, so if some person or animal touch this wire, so yes, like this, the light will on and we will know. Okay, and will come and yeah, it happens like this. Who made this? Okay, you all made this. Okay, and they made this thing, and he is our teacher, English teacher. Okay, and actually I am seeing one friend. She is my one friend, but actually Jala Chakra, the teacher is Jala Chakra, and our teacher is asking them something. Okay, so friends, I don't interrupt them. I will go. I will come up. Okay, and I will show you. Actually, look, their projects are very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. One girl is coming, taking a stick. So you can describe your nature and you can learn English also like this. So I am showing you quickly the scenario. Okay, because it is the birthday of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So you can see some pictures of him. Okay. So I am showing you very quickly. Okay. I don't want to take so actually it dropped here. Now I am picking up and I have to keep. I don't know where will I keep it, but I have to keep where I will keep it. Okay, no problem. I am keeping here it. Okay. So you can see some pictures. Actually, I will try to recognize their name. Okay. He is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. So when Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in Tokyo was in Tokyo that time, okay, that he is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Azad Hind Bahini পরিদর্শন করছেন. Okay, he made Azad Hind Fauj and okay, you can see. So I am showing you everything. Just keep watching. I don't know his name. He maybe Satyajit Ray. Who is he? I have forgotten here. Really, it is Sam. Very Sam for me. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, Rishi Aurobindo Ghosh, Bhagat Singh. Okay, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagini Nivedita. You can see Prithlata Wadidar, and I don't know Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Kalpana Dutt, Bagajatin. Okay, and Binoy Badol Dinesh, and Damodar Hari Chapekar. Okay, actually I don't know him. Okay, but it is written Krantivir Bal Krishna Hari Chapekar, Krantivir Basudev Hari Chapekar, and he is, do you know, he is fought with British, and his name is Azad Azad. I have forgotten his full name, and he is master of the suggestion and Manabendranath Bandapatay and Birsa Munda. You can see here Sidhu Kanu. Okay, some Netaji's pictures. Okay. So friends, I showed you everything. Okay, now you see. Okay, they made this project. What is this? I will ask them. Actually, Indian map of India and India 3D map. You can see they pointed some places, some important points. Sri Lanka, Kanyakumari. Actually, okay, no problem. You can see. He is signing his name. So friends, it's enough today. And actually, okay friends, I am showing you another thing.